Anal douching is the process of cleaning out your butt before having receptive anal sex. It's not like a mandatory thing that you have to do, but it can definitely help you feel more sexy and confident when you're getting pounded in the ass. Because you know you'll be clean and won't accidentally shit on your man's dick. It's important to be careful with anal douching because doing it improperly can be detrimental to your health. If you overdo it, you might wear down the healthy bacteria that lives in your ass, thus making you more susceptible to STDs. If you rush the process or if you're not eating enough fiber, you might cut your ass and end up with an anal fissure. Yeah, let's avoid those. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to anal douche in the most safe and proper way. Before I get right into it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And also, please check out my full bottoming guide and my anal douching kits at the links below. And stay tuned for the end because I have a special surprise announcement for you guys. Step 1. Get a good enema bulb and some water-based lube. These are pretty much the only products that you need to get started on anal douching. In my opinion, a good enema bulb is one that is sturdy and has a twist tip function. So it's like easy to just take off and put water in and then put back on. To make this easier for you, I put these products in my brand new anal douching kit and you can check that out at the link below. It's just one box full of all the things that you need. Once you have these products, we can then move on to step 2. Step 2. Fill up your enema bulb with lukewarm water. Lukewarm means not too hot and not too cold. You don't want to burn your ass with water that is too hot, and you also don't want to give it like a brain freeze with water that is too cold. A brain freeze that's like in your ass. And make sure that you fill up the enema bulb all the way. You're not going to be using up all the water, but a full bulb will make your life a million times easier, I promise. Step 3. Sit on the toilet and try to poop. This is a step that I rarely ever see anyone talk about. It's so weird. It's like really important to me. You need to try to poop before you stick a whole enema up your ass and try to clean it. Even if you've already pooped earlier in the day, or if you think you don't need to poop, just sit in the toilet and try to empty out your stomach. Trust me, it'll save you time and help you avoid discomfort. Step 4. Put some water-based lube on the tip of the enema. The reason why you need water-based lube isn't necessarily for the anal douching part of the process. It's so that if you choose to play with silicone toys later on in the night, you won't ruin the material on those toys by getting any water-based lube on them. This can be a different video, but you basically should never put any silicone-based lube on your silicone toys because that will wear down the material of your toys. So I just personally stick to water-based all around. Lubing up the tip of your enema is crucial because it ensures that it will go in your ass more smoothly and easily. Step 5. Get into a half squat position over the toilet. Some people like to lay down, but I feel like that's too much work, so I just like to do a half squat over the toilet and be careful with it. Bring the enema bulb through the front of your body, going past your dick and your balls. Step 6. Find your butthole with the lubed tip. Take a couple seconds to lightly hover over your ass to find your butthole. Once you find it, slowly and gently insert the tip just a little bit. Don't insert it too far in. Like literally this much is enough. Step 7. Squeeze the bulb and insert a quarter of the water into your butt. When I say a quarter of the water, I mean like this much water. I don't want you to go past this much water because if you put too much water and it goes too far deep, you're gonna be stuck cleaning your ass for hours. Step 8. Leave the water in your ass for 1 to 3 minutes. You need to let the water sit in your ass for a little bit. Now might be a good time for you to brush your teeth, shave your mustache, dance around the room to some Taylor Swift, whatever good music you got. I like to literally dance around because it like moves the water in your ass, so it like kind of cleans it a little bit more. Step 9. Poop the water out of your ass. The water is probably going to be dirty, but don't worry, this is normal and okay. Step 10. Flush the dirty water and refill your enema with lukewarm water. Step 11 is to just repeat steps 5 to 10 until the water is clean. Usually 3 to 4 rounds is enough. I don't want you to overdo it because that might be bad for you. Just don't go past like 5 rounds to be safe, okay? Step 12. Wash the enema with soap. Once you're done cleaning, you're going to wash the enema itself because you're going to want it to be clean for future use. Step 13. Celebrate. Take a shower, wash the outside of your ass, and get excited because you're about to have clean, amazing sex. Pat yourself on the back. You did it. Bottoming takes a lot of work and a lot of patience. If you made it this far, props to you for taking the initiative to improve your sex life. You deserve all the credit in the world. Again, I have a couple resources that I would like you to check out. I have my full gay bottoming guide and my anal douching kits at the links below. And also, if you're a longtime follower or if you really like my content, I want to let you know that I now have a community on my site. You'll get daily direct interaction with me, exclusive personal content that you can't see on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, the chance to have all of your sex questions answered by me and other people in the community, and essentially just a support system that you can lean on. I also just want to thank you for all the support that you've given me by giving you the chance to have intimate and immediate access to my personal life and my personal time. So yeah, check that out also at the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I'm excited to make more videos on YouTube and on the internet. So I love you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.